Concrete floored rooms like your basement more often than not have problems with moisture. Concrete's highly porous. It contains microscopic capillary fissures which allow water vapor to pass through it very easily. This creates two headaches in your basement. The first is with moisture coming in. Without a capillary break like a subfloor, water wicks up from the soil through the concrete and gets into the room. That's why basements often feel damp. If you have a finished floor right on top like carpet or wood, the moisture can sit on it, which is why a lot of basements, even with finished floors, smell musty. That's a scent of mildew and mold growing on your finished floor. The second headache is moisture inside the room. In the summer especially, you have warm, humid interior air, lots of water in it. If that warm air isn't blocked by a subfloor, it hits the cold concrete and condenses. Then you've got the same issue in reverse. You've got moisture, mold risk, poor air quality, and even potential leaks in your floor. Dry-core subfloors all offer a capillary break, either a hard plastic or foam break that prevents warm air from inside getting to the concrete and also stops water traveling up from the ground and getting to your finished floor from underneath. This is one of the reasons why it's so important to lay down a dry-core subfloor before you put down your finished floor. Dry-core. Don't build without it.